Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find a nearby store or how can you find a nearby store on the Zara Home application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this search icon down below, which is the second option, and then click on stores at the top. After that, you can either allow the application to have access to your location, or you can also type in the name of your town into the search bar. And here you can find the relevant stores. So if you tap on it, you can check it out on the map. You can plan your route there by tapping on the route button, or you can also contact them via phone, since there's a phone number, and you can add it to your favorites by tapping on the star icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.